Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this full moon wall hanging decor. To make it I'm using this yarn and the hook from Dollar Tree. First I'm going to have the yarn rounded in the length that I want, and then we'll cut them into the pieces. You can have the yarns according to the size you want. You can go it for 50 inches or 40 inches, however you want it, how tall you want it for your wall. So first I'm going to make just simple knots to attach these yarns with the hook, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to decor it. These simple knots are very easy to be made, but you just have to be careful because you have to make the knots on the upper side, not the inside. Even this thing belongs to how you want to do it, but when you make the knots on the upper side, it will look more beautiful. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to hit this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel as well. Once I made the knots, I'm going to separate them into two sections and then cross stitch them in the two sides. So one from the left side, another one from the right side, and then I will go ahead and do the same thing and make just simple knots at the end. Very clean knots are necessary to be made because this is our wall design and decor thing. If you are not very familiar according to how you should do it, just simply make it one by one. So first take one thread from the right, and then the second thread should come from the left. That's how we can make a crisscross design in this hook. This is a very simple design, but it takes lots of time. So if you want to save your time, you can go ahead and do it as I'm doing right now. First make the knots from the one side, and then bring your second part, and with your fingers just pull them within each one of the threads. So this is very white. I'm going to give it a little bit color, adding some chalk paint to the water. You can use fabric paint, watercolor, or whichever paint is around the house is okay. Just it should be mixed with the water. And I'm going to dip it inside the paint that I made and leave it for a few hours to dry. The art is going to be very unleveled, so you have to make them leveled with some scissors and you're going to be good. So I'm going to use this very beautiful piece of art which is made from pistachio shell, some greeneries, and a beautiful foam bird. I hope you like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share your comments down below and let me know if you like this project. See you next week.